Hello, my name is Aurelius. I'm from Auto Central, and I'm going to do a Renault Megane door handle removal for a 2009 Onwards Mark III. And I'm going to show you how to remove the key barrel so you can get access to the handle. As you can see, the handle is removed from the vehicle currently because it is a lot easier to demonstrate. Otherwise it would be very flimsy on a vehicle. As you can see, the whole unit is one piece, and you do require removing the barrel and the handle to get access to the screw, so you can remove the inner part to get it out of the vehicle. You will require fabricating of some sort of tool in order to get into the vehicle arm and be able to unhook, as I am demonstrating right now. The metal arm is the part that moves and requires pulling on it quite firmly in order to get it to unlock. And the barrel will come out, and the handle, which will give you access to the screw. There is a hole inside in the metal arm. There's an indentation notch which will allow you to hook on and pull on it. I have fabricated my own tool. You can use a pick, or in my case I used a welding wire. The end can't be too big either, otherwise you ain't going to be able to get it in to the door. Well, to pull on it you will require a bit of force and a screwdriver to, as I'm showing right now, to push a metal plastic tab down. Using a screwdriver, just push down and pull on the metal arm tab, and you should be able to unlock the first stage, which will go past the plastic clip. I will show you here one more time, as it was quite difficult to say. The first stage, and then you put it again one more time, and it will come out even further, which will unlock the barrel. And it should be in this position, and the barrel will be unlocked. Using a screwdriver you can gently pry off the key barrel, or in my case I just pushed it out from the inside. The arm now is unlocked, and you will have to putting it in the same way and locking it off. To take out the handle you require putting a lot of force on pulling it towards myself, as I am showing, and you will feel a clunk, some sort of hard plastic pull, and it will unlock, which will give you access to take out the handle. I will show this one more time. Just slides out. Same way, put it back in, you just slide it in, line it up, and you push to lock it. I was having a bit of a hard time getting it back in. You push away from you to lock it, and it will lock into place. I don't know if you noticed that, the movement, and you do the same thing, you pull away, pull, and it will unlock. and it will come out. And behind that handle is a screw which is holding the plastic bit into place. And thank you very much for watching my video. Hope this helped.